Sometimes when you're checking your ORLO list, you may find an item, but when you click on the View Online link, you get this particular error, host missing from Bodleian Libraries' EZ Proxy service. EZ Proxy is a layer of authentication which allows users to log in with their Oxford single sign-on and gain access to ebooks and electronic articles from wherever they are across the world. It's the thing that allows us to get hold of things without being on campus, and so it's a really good thing. However, Bodleian Libraries has to maintain a list of resources which need EZ Proxy and those which don't. When you see this error, all it means is that the resource that you've added to your ORLO list hasn't been listed, and all you need to do is to contact Bodleian Libraries eResources and ask for the resource to be added to the list. So to do that, go back to your ORLO list and find the relevant item, and then if you go along to the hamburger menu on the right, you can choose Edit, and this is going to take you to the dialog where you'll see all the information about the item. The key thing you need here is the web address that that particular bookmark is going to. So I'm going to copy that with a Control-C, or I think it might be a Command-C on a Mac. I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to cancel because I don't actually want to change my ORLO bookmark at all. Once I've done that, I'm going to go into my email. So I've gone into my email and I've put the Oxford University eResources address into the to field that was given on the page where the error was reported. And then I've written an email here that I pre-prepared earlier saying that basically I've got a link in my ORLO list which is returning the EZ Proxy error. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in that long URL from ORLO. Oh, and I've got a spelling error in my thank you very much. And I'm then going to send that off to the eResources team. They will add that address to the appropriate list in EZ Proxy, and within a day or maybe two if they're particularly busy, that link should start to work again. Any problems, do contact us on olishelp@bodleian.ox.ac.uk. Thank you very much.